So WildDrone is an interdisciplinary, curiosity-driven research network of 13 PhDs working in nature conservation and drone operations and computer vision / machine learning.
We are partners in the WildDrone project, and the WildDrone project brings together a consortium of partners to really look at how we can utilize drones in the field of conservation. There are different areas to be explored from a technical aspect, including the ethical aspects of it. And we're proud to be a hosting partner where students would come in and help tackle conservation challenges that we face on a day-to-day basis. And we can easily link this and leverage our conservation tech lab to move forward the solutions that would emanate from this project. Computer vision has an application in conservation, and this is because humans would take a long time to really go through millions of images, and computer vision can be employed to, one, detect images, whether there is a species or not. It can go further to identify the species type, and even deeper to identify the individual species or the individual animal.
The role of WildDrone is to look 5-10 years into the future and try and develop technology now that's going to revolutionize how we can use drones for nature conservation.
Opijata is brilliant in terms of the technologies they've already adopted and already using. I see drones as just part of a network of robotics working in parallel with the technologies they already have, which is going to vastly increase their ability to track, monitor and protect the animals that we have here.
We are happy to be partners in the WildDrone project, and we look forward to collaborating with the other project partners and an exciting journey over the next 3 years.